Make a great choice today with the 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, XM satellite radio, four-wheel drive, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.